Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking your bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Toyota CHR-LE in silver. With HID headlamps, brake assist, 17-inch wheels, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles in the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7425.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.